ställe där du tycker det är bra och sen får vi gå på olika.
Okej, du får göra vad du vill. Men det är okej där den är. Det är jättevackert. Är det bacon du har tappat där på golvet eller vad är det?
So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I know, I'm aware. Your girl has been taking some time out for herself. I've been doing some search and find, I'm just trying to find myself recently. I've been just taking time out to work on my mental health because things happen, it's life, and your girl has been going through it. So I've decided to just take some time from social media to actually figure my stuff out. Yeah, and that's what I did. But I am back. I've decided to come back because after a storm there's a calm, and right now I'm feeling like my mental health is in a better place and I want to do what I like, and I just want to start filming again. So today I'm bringing to you guys just a small vlog where I'm at home with my daughter, and it's just really a chill day, just cleaning up, doing some at home chores, and just a simple vlog, day in the life, whatever you want to call it. So you guys can just hang along with me and see what I do. And and like as always guys, if you have any questions for me, just drop them below and I will answer, because I know I've been absent for a while, which can be disappointing and frustrating for my followers. And I want to also say a big thank you and shout out to the people that still follow me and has been supporting me since day one. I really appreciate it. I know I've been absent, I've not been turning up the way I'm supposed to, but like I say, sometimes there comes a time when you have to take a break from social media. Just take a break for yourself, and so you can be in a better space, especially being a mother, and stuff like that. Sometimes I need to just get away from all of it and just refine myself. And right now I'm there where I've been just taking the time for myself, and I'm ready. I feel like I'm in a better mindset, I'm in a better space, and I wanted to come in here and just share with you guys just a few stuff, because I feel like I at least owe you guys that. So this is just
Nothing.
Guys, this is crazy, but since lately I've been just finding so much peace in taking it slow. We're living in a world where it's like everything is so sped up, like it's a fast world, and I'm just in my slow mom era, and I love it. I've just been taking it slow, taking my time to do stuff. I've been um like I said previously, like I've been working on myself, and I've been loving it. I feel so free, and this is kind of weird to say because I actually recently went through, or maybe recently in my head, but I went through a breakup, and I think that took a piece of me. It took something from me, but also gave me something that gave me back a part of myself that's been missing. Because yeah, I've been really just I lost myself, and I didn't realize that I lost myself until recently, because I've been finding so much peace in learning to just love me again, to appreciate me, to just be thankful to myself for where I am today, because despite all I've been through so much, and I'm still here, I'm doing well, I'm doing okay. And sometimes we forget to be grateful to ourselves, to just thank ourselves and remind ourselves that we are worthy of love, unconditional love, and whether it comes from someone else or not, like we're still worthy of it. And we sometimes in relationships we lose ourselves, and I didn't know that I lost myself until the other person expressed to me that they've lost themselves, and I've been thinking about it, but I'm not one to yeah. But I'm working. So here I am making some good old cinnamon rolls that my daughter wanted. So yeah, mommy's job. I can't stress how much I enjoy these little moments with my daughter. Like, I enjoy them so much because I feel like time is passing by so fast. She's already 7 years old, and I just feel like she's going to be 18 soon. It's ridiculous. She's starting grade one like soon, and time just really flies. Like, I can't believe it has passed so fast. Like, she's such a big girl, and I'm so happy to see how far we've come. Like, and how far she's going to go. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm excited. So I'm a mom to a 7-year-old. That's a crazy feeling. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm so proud of her. She's such an amazing little girl. I love her so much. We can really have like mommy daughter moments, like we sit down and we talk, and we play games, and she has so much questions sometimes. So intelligent for her age, and she always has like really good questions, and we can just sit down and have a conversation. She's a mommy's girl. Like, she doesn't leave my side at all. She's just always with her mommy, and I love that for us. Like, yeah. So it's a good thing because I think we're gonna have an amazing relationship when she's all grown up, and I'm look forward to that. So I'm enjoying all of this right now because the time flies past so quick, so fast. So yeah, this is just us enjoying our little moment together, and going to end this vlog or this day in the life video soon because our dad is gonna come by and we have some stuff to sort out for the holidays. So yeah, I want to say big thank you to everyone that supports me, my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. I really love you guys. You're like really like family, where I can come here and talk and express myself to you guys. I'm just really grateful, and yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely, lovely summer holiday. Until next time, love you guys, and thank you again for the support. And if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys again. Bye.